This is the emergency alert system. This is a local area emergency. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted by Valencia Fire Department and Port of Authority approximately 10:39 a.m. Western Standard Time. Six Flags Magical Mountain, Citizens has been reporting that the ride Apocalypse has apparently crashed and is currently in flames and is unclear at this time how it happened. At this time it is unknown if any fatalities happened. Now transmitting you to your local news outlet. Hello, this is Carl, and I'm reporting your breaking news. Our first story is all the way in Valencia, California. We have numerous reports of a fire on the Apocalypse ride at Six Flags. We have reports that half of the passengers are dead and were sadly burned alive. Very sad story. You're listening to the emergency alert system. All broadcast and cable system shall transmit this message. We are serving for the Valencia, California area. If you are not in this area, tune to your local area. The emergency alert system has been activated. This is the emergency alert system. The following message is transmitted by Valencia, California Emergency Services and Federal Emergency Management Agency. The fire that started at 10:30 a.m. has cleared. This concludes all operations of the emergency alert system. The emergency alert system has been activated.